How to fix Capcut export error. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Capcut export error. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and restart your Capcut application on your device and then try exporting again. It often clears temporary glitches. You can also try freeing up your storage space. So check your device storage and make sure that you have at least 2 to 4 GB free, especially for longer videos. And you can also delete unused files or app or clear the app cache. And during the export, make sure that you use the recommended export settings resolution, which is 1080p or lower. Okay, can cause the issues. So go for 1080p and then try to export. You can also try updating your CapCut application. So for that, you need to open your App Store or Play Store or CapCut's official site and update it from there. And you can also try exporting to a different folder or format. So change the export location to a folder with no special characters or symbols and try exporting as a different resolution or format. And if it's not still working, you can reinstall CapCut or try the CapCut Wave, which is www.capcut.com. And from here, you can reinstall it and also try online. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.